Today I'm going to look at the Tiffen Pro-Dissolve 35mm slide projector sync unit connected to a couple of Kodak 4400 slide projectors. I'm projecting onto a little screen. Actually, the picture is going to be much smaller because I'm only about 5 feet from it. I don't have good short 2-inch lenses to put in there, so I've had to reduce the picture size quite a bit. But the Dissolve unit will control one projector, two projectors. You can add sync tones, advance, dissolves, cuts. You can record your tape that you want all those on in audible tones and then play it back, and it will do it just straight from the tape. You can use it as a PA system, and all in all it's a nice little unit, probably about 1990. So I'm going to try and darken the room here as much as I can in the middle of the day, and we'll take a quick short look at some of the things you can do with it. So to begin with, I've got the two slide projectors turned on to the fan. The bulbs are not set to be on. They're kind of tried to superimpose over each other, as you'll see, although you could do this side by side. That makes more sense when you're in analog mode. So we'll turn the Tiffen on. Various indicator lights come on. Shows we're in digital mode, not analog. And it shows we're going to start with projector 1, which for me is over here on the right. So to start our show, we'll do a cut. I'm going to press this and you'll see what's coming on the screen here. It starts, and the second slide projector advanced. So we'll do a 1.5 second dissolve. It happens so quick it's hard to see. So we'll go to a 4-second dissolve. Easier to see. And then here the next slide projector one. Let's do a 10-second dissolve by using both the 1.5 and 4-second buttons. These are all New York scenes from the 50s. That was the ferry, Times Square. And you heard the other one advance. By pressing the Alt button, we can get some back and forth action going up between them. We can slow that down a little bit by Alt 1.5. Then we can do a cut. You heard the slide projector advance. By using a title +4 here, we can get this effect. Fades in and out to the next one, and the one advances. Then let's do a 1.5 second dissolve. Another Times Square, Blackboard Jungle. By pressing these two together, we can get an interesting flash sequence going. That's the Central Park. We'll do a 10-second dissolve into the next one. And take us into a night shot, showing the automat. And a night shot showing East of Eden. If you want to see what's coming up next, you can do flash. Oops, kind of spoiled it, didn't we? And that's the end. There's more things you can do. You can do some what they call titles and some superimpositions and some other things. But you have to play with those a lot. You need to practice them because it gets confusing what slide projector is coming on and which one is off. It does take a little bit of practice to prepare your presentations right. But that's just a little bit of the Tiffen Pro-Dissolve unit combined with 2 Kodak carousels. Hope you enjoyed it. Bye.